Hi parents, welcome to our Parent Toolbox. These Toolbox sessions are designed to equip you guys as parents in discipling your children. Over the next couple of weeks, we'll be talking about prayer. Well, I grew up in a Christian household and Mum and Dad took us to church every Sunday, and we served and helped out in the church as well. But they were still working out their faith, and they really didn't have the tools to help us kids in our spiritual growth. So prayer as a family is really important, and it can be fun as well. So the tool that we're going to share today is our 5-finger prayers. So what you'll need is some paper and some testers. Get the family to put their hand on the paper and draw around it. And you can do that for each of the family members. So on the drawing of your hand, you can have the family members write on each finger. Now on the thumb, you can write the name of someone who lives far away. On the index finger, you can write the name of someone who you love. On the middle finger, you can write someone who is in power or leadership. On the ring finger, you can write the name of someone who is sick. And on the little finger, you can write someone that you're missing, either at school or at work or at sports club, or someone like that. So now, what do you do with these hands that you've written upon? Well, it's up to you guys. You could either pray for each hand individually, maybe one per night, or everybody can pray for a finger each night. So it can be praying for the thumb, everybody's thumb one night, and then everybody's index finger the next. It's totally up to you guys. I hope that this activity is fun for you guys to all do together, and that it encourages you to pray as a family. So feel free to share what you are doing as a family with your prayers on our Tag Kids Facebook page as an encouragement to us all. Have a great week, and we look forward to catching you again at our Parent Toolbox.